Hey there, I'm Becca Kingsbury with YouCanBookMe, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use shorthand codes in YouCanBookMe to make your communication faster, smarter, and way more personalized for your bookers. So if you're tired of sending super generic text messages or emails to your bookers, this feature is going to save you so much time and let you communicate a lot more detail automatically. So what are shorthands? First of all, think of shorthand codes like nicknames for pieces of information. We have a giant list of shorthand codes that you can use in YouCanBookMe, and we've linked it in the bio of this video. But just scrolling here, look at how many shorthand codes we have set up. It goes on and on. There's dozens. It's ridiculous, but they're all so super handy. So let's talk about it. Whenever you want to add a shorthand code, you can either reference this glossary or in YouCanBookMe, which I'll show you in a moment, to put in information easier. So for instance, you can use the code FNAME to automatically fill the booker's first name, LNAME to automatically fill the booker's last name, or email to automatically fill in their email address into emails or text messages. So instead of writing, hey there, it can be, hey Aria, hey Bob, hey Lucas, thank you for booking your session. Each person actually gets it personalized to them so it feels more authentic. This feature is available on all plans, including our free plan, so everybody can start using it right away. So let's show you how to use it. So when you're logged into YouCanBookMe, as I mentioned, you can add this to your email notifications, your text message reminders, or your calendar events. Here's how it works. I'm going to show you by setting up an email together. So in YouCanBookMe, we're going to choose one of my booking pages to edit. We're going to hit edit settings. And now we're looking to edit the emails. So we're going to click additional options, notifications. We have so many different kinds of emails and text messages you can send to your bookers or to yourself. But let's go with if a booking reschedules. I already have 3 different emails here. If I rescheduled, it'll automatically send a notice to the booker. If the booker reschedules, it'll automatically send them a confirmation and let me know. Let's say that I want to reschedule. Let's change the verbiage here. So it's automatically going with your meeting with booking page title, Becca's dummy booking page has been rescheduled. Cool. And you'll see here in the curly brackets, I've already got some shorthand codes. So hey, first name in curly brackets here, which is automatically showing as John in the example. We had to reschedule our meeting that was scheduled for start rescheduled from Friday, March 27th, 2016 at 8 p.m. We will now meet on start, the new time I've rescheduled it to. And as we scroll here, you can see there are so many shorthand things in here, and we could add way more. So for instance, if we wanted to, we could include what the meeting was about. So we'll now meet on start to discuss, curly bracket, topic. Let's hit save changes. So we've got that in here. And now if we have topic as a question in our booking form, it'll autofill here. For now, I don't have that in my booking form, so it's blank. But with the magic of video editing, the topic is now there for you. So when the booker receives my notifications, their info is automatically replaced in lieu of the code that's here. This makes your messages more personalized and professional without you having to type things in manually. So why are shorthand codes awesome? They save you time because they automate personalization for every single booking. They reduce mistakes because there's no copying and pasting and there's no details to type in. They make a better impression because bookers feel like you know them personally and that you care because you're taking the time to acknowledge them by name. It passes data into integrations. So shorthand codes can be sent through Zapier or webhooks for custom workflows, especially if you're connecting to your CRM. And finally, they're exportable. Data tied to shorthand codes is exportable for reporting, which is awesome. So let's go through some quick FAQs. 1, can you use shorthand codes on the booking page itself? No, because when they're just on the booking page initially, they haven't entered any information yet. So there's nothing to autofill. So these only work in notifications and calendar events once we've gotten their information and the booking is made. Do all the codes have to be capitalized? Yes, YouCanBookMe only reads shorthand codes if they live in those curly brackets in capital letters. And finally, can you export the data? You sure can. It can become its own column, each code in your export. And that's shorthand codes in YouCanBookMe. They're so simple, but they're powerful, and they make every communication feel personal without that extra effort. So if you want to level up your booking communications, start adding shorthand codes today. Your bookers will absolutely notice the difference. Thank you so much for watching.